honestly, I am right about now, I am sick and tired of you making yourself look so pathetic. You'll be on Facebook and you see a girl like, oh my god, I'm so in love, and she'll be tagging him and all can I mention him name about in a relationship. And if you go over to his Facebook profile, there's no mention of the girl, not one picture with her, nothing. She'll be on that Gaza same love, anything for hold him. One person to her zoom zoom, like, she's on it wholeheartedly.
Can I get an amen? Preach, Mary, preach! I said, can I get an amen? Preach, Mary, preach!
Because I'm so nice, I'm going to give you a tip so you can avoid an early breakup. If you're in a fresh relationship, don't be mentioning the words love. Don't be mentioning the words commitment. And don't be talking anything about a possible future, because that will scare a guy crazy.
Ladies!
If a guy make it clear to you, whether verbally or by him actions, until he say he really don't want to have nothing more to do with this relationship, don't pressure him. Just make him go on his ways. Don't bother him. Don't bother nigga him ears. Why you don't want this to work? Oh my gosh, I thought we had so much. We could have gotten married and all these things. Don't pressure him. Just cut. Because guys, we just work on whatever feelings we are carrying at the time, and eventually over time we'll realize that we made a bad mistake if we did in fact make a mistake and come back crawling to you. And you know what you need to do at that time, ladies, is just kindly tell him
To the left, to the left.
So I'm going to give you this one story. I was at the University of the West Indies, I think last year, and this guy was kind of breaking up with this girl publicly. And he was kind of telling her that, me don't really think this is going to work. You're kind of being too clingy, being too emotional. It's just, we are going in two different paths right now. It's just best that we separate. And you know what my girl do? She just freeze. And although me kind of exaggerate the situation, this is what she did. Right about Deandra, me ain't really compatible. You get me? You want bag juice, me want bubble. It just can't work. And you know what homegirl did? Instead of just saying, you know what? I'm just going to cut and go about my business. She stood there and did this.
Oh my god. 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 Oh my god.
At the end of the day, I just find it messed up to see a girl I put her heart and soul into trying to attain a man that clearly a send signal saying don't want her. There's plenty more people out there for you. So stop making yourself look so pathetic. Because you know what's really messed up is that you will spend your entire life killing up yourself for this one man. And then when you're dead, at the new girl, you're going to carry come at your funeral sideways. So that's it, peeps. Thanks for watching another Dirty Berry show. Continue liking, sharing, commenting, and supporting the Dirty Berry thing. You get me? I love you much. And if you don't know, I actually do write blogs as well. So you can check out the Dirty Berry Show blog. The link will be in the description down there. And I did one called the top 10 biggest Jamaican image makeovers. So make sure that you check it and you share that as well. Alright? Take care.
Bloopers! Yeah. Oh, nice. Santa Claus. Scooby-Doo. What do you want to name? Shelly Belly.